Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Ritu ma'am from Udayan Kids. Today I am going to introduce you a new family word. Let's start. Can you read this letter? This is letter S and S says S, and this is letter P. P says P. Together it says Sp. Together it says Sp. We are going to learn about Sp family words, and the first one is Sp in spin. Sp in spin. And this one, this is Sp it spit. Sp it spit. And next one is, this is Sp ot spot. Sp ot spot. And this one is, this is spy. This is spy. Okay, now this one, this is space. This is space. Sp is space. And this one, this is spend. This is spend. Sp and spend. Okay, now this one you all know. This is spider. Spider, spider. And this one, this is spoon. This is spoon. Okay children, now it's recap time. Now it's your turn. Read this word. This is, yes, this is spy. And next is, yes, you are right, this is spit. And the next one is spin. And this one, yes, this is spot. Okay, now this one, this is, yes, try. Yes, you are right, this is space. And the next one is spend. And this one, yes, this is spoon. And the last one is spider. This is spider.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Okay children, now it's classwork time. Circle the spur words. Okay, now can you tell me, is this a spur word? No. This one, is this a spur word? Yes, this is spin. This is spin. Okay, now, is this a spur word? Yes, you are right. This is spit. This is spit. And the last word, this is spot. Spot is a spur family words.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankids.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.